With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The magnifying power of compound microscope in terms of the magnification M0 due to objective and magnifying power ME by the eyepiece is given by. So in a compound microscope we have two lenses. One is called the objective and the other one is called the eyepiece. And the way they are arranged is something like this. There is the objective and there is the eyepiece. So now what happens is when you place a very small object in front of the objective, it magnifies its image. And it magnifies its image by the factor of MO as given in the question. Now this image is treated as the object for the eyepiece. So this image further gets magnified by a factor of ME as given in the question. So as you can see, the original image got magnified by a factor of MO and then that got magnified by a factor of ME, which means the total magnification factor becomes MO times ME, which is our answer. That is option number 2.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.